The number one thing that may be causing you to have poor retention is not rinsing your lashes after exercising. We have glands that secrete not only oils, but also perspiration in our lash follicles. When we are exercising, some of us secrete a lot of salts or a lot of oils in these glands. That gets onto the cyanoacrylate adhesive. I actually had a client that troubleshooted this issue back in 2014. This young client was a competitive cheerleader. She had more extensions lost than I thought would be normal for 2 weeks. And then one day she came in and she had a great amount of lashes that would be normal for a 2-week fill. I asked her what she did differently out of curiosity, and she told me she started rinsing her lashes after cheerleading. When I started researching the science of the cyanoacrylate adhesive, eye health and ingredients and different things like that, rinsing her lashes, it got the oils and the sweat off of her eyelashes. And that way they didn't sit on the eyelashes and break them down. Also, it's good to wash your lashes probably a few times a week if you do a lot of exercising or hot yoga. Perspiration is salt, and salt dehydrates cyanoacrylate adhesive. The oils that can be excreted from the glands, depending on how oily you are, that can be a solvent to the cyanoacrylate adhesive. When you are done working out, just rinse off your lashes with room temperature water. Don't use hot, don't use cold, just rinse them off. And you should see better retention. Even if you say you don't sweat during working out, you don't know if your eyes are sweating and what the glands in your eyes might be secreting. If you do have some issues with retention, it might just be something as simple as rinsing your lashes after working out. We want to get the salts and the oils off of the cyanoacrylate adhesive, and that should resolve a lot of your issues. See you in the next video.